Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. This is episode 210, and it's going to be a forward-looking show. It's officially June. We're going to be looking 1 month out to July at niches that'll pop off right at the beginning of July, and it's not going to necessarily be what you expect. So let's get to it. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. So in the month of May, I made 1,469 sales, bringing in $4,330 of profit in the US market and about $70 in ad spend. And another, I don't know, I can't do the math that quickly in my head, but probably at least another like $700 or $800 of profit from the international markets, if not more. I actually did pretty well in Japan there with 66 sales. Guys, I barely even upload to my account. People that like to argue that it's not passive income, it's like, I mean, seriously, I basically maxed out my account uploads in 2022. Okay, it's 2024 now. Do the math in your head. And I'm making thousands of dollars from Amazon merch. Just saying, man, if you're not on Amazon merch, you should be. And shoot me an email if you're still having trouble getting on. I might be able to help. By the way, if you want to follow me, or you can DM me on Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, linked in the description, I post daily sales updates for motivation. I've been killing it on Etsy, Seller Central, Walmart. Everything's been good lately, so hopefully sales have been good for you. You know what I mean? It's normally a slow time of year too, but fortunately things have really been working out. All right, let's look at the top 10 real quick. These are the organic top 10 after filtering out the protected brands, or at least, you know, attempting to. Filtering them out is a manual process, so when you actually see things like this, that looks like the Dallas Mavericks logo. That's not something anybody should be selling. If you're familiar with the NBA, that is an NBA team that is currently in the finals. And anytime a big sports league has their, you know, playoffs, we've seen the Amazon merch team get a little bit tighter around the different teams, the locations. So if you were to upload a shirt about like Dallas basketball right now, you'd almost for sure get rejected. And that might be considered like a really bad rejection. I don't know, because I don't work for merch, but I'm just saying you don't want to do that anymore. In the past, it was completely fine, by the way. All right, let's get to the top 5 niches. Niche number 1 this week, Father's Day. All right, we got to get the obvious one out of the way. All right, after this one, though, we are doing a forward-looking show. So Father's Day, bear with me here. We're going to do the top, I think, 30 designs in Father's Day. And this is not with me filtering anything. This is just searching on the keywords Father's Day. So you've got awesome like my daughter. You've got the I'm not old, I'm classic cars. Awesome like my daughter with fishing. Okay, fishing shirts. Funny Father's Day shirts. Proud father of a few dumbass kids. Somehow a couple Trump shirts are in the top 10 as well when you search for Father's Day. I have 2 titles, Dad and Grandpa. I rock them both. So Grandpa for Father's Day. We talked about that last week. Softball Dad. Somehow an Alabama shirt snuck its way in. Husband, Daddy, Protector, Hero. One Badass Bonus Dad. Okay, so stepdad shirts. Padre, the dog father. We talked about that last week as well. Best dog dad ever, right? So not just Father's Day for human kids, but also for, you know, the fur babies, the dogs and cats, of course. Another racing shirt behind me, Armed and Dadly, and not Armed and Deadly, Armed and Dadly with the 2 pistols. And one more. I have 2 titles, Dad and Papa. I rock them both. Someone did a design here. It says Dadpool instead of Deadpool with the Avengers logo, Thor's hammer, etc. That is a terrible idea. Unless you, in fact, own the rights to sell Marvel intellectual property, which I doubt they do. Father mows best. You got the dad mowing the lawn silhouette behind me. That's funny. Hi, it's me. I'm the dad. It's me. But I'm pretty sure that's a Taylor Swift reference, so I would steer clear of that. All right, can we move on, guys? That was me just saying, hey, Father's Day. We got 2 weeks. The sales are going to absolutely go bananas in the next 2 weeks. If you want a quick sale, you need to be here. If you're a planner and you're looking down the line, then stay with me. We have the next 4 niches all related to July, and none of them are July 4th. Spoiler. All right, niche number 2. How about Christmas in July? I don't get it. Every year I'm going to say Christmas in July, and then I'm going to tell you I don't get it, because I don't get it. But if you really love Christmas, maybe you just can't. One is not enough. So you celebrate the middle of the year. Or maybe if you're like your birthday's on Christmas or something like that, maybe you just celebrate your half birthday instead so that you actually get presents instead of people copping out and giving you a Christmas gift and saying that that's for your birthday as well. I don't know. If you guys get it, let me know in the comments. But Christmas in July, every year, a lot of sales take place here. The way I would approach it, if I could only make one design, would have to be not as Santa Claus centric, but more watermelon centric. It seems like the watermelon Christmas trees are extremely popular with the Christmas in July designs. And if you're not on Creative Fabrica yet, you can use my link at the top of the description. You can join for as low as $3.99 a month. So if you make one sale on Amazon merch at $19.99 standard t-shirt, you've got your Creative Fabrica subscription covered, plus you've got profit. Can't beat that, all right? So that's linked in the description. They have a ton of resources. They got fonts. They've got tools to help you build things. I love the Shape Cloud tool, by the way. Maybe we do a video on that sometime. Let me know if you'd like to see that. But when it comes to watermelon, so you want to make some Christmas in July designs, this looks like a fun bundle right here, too. I didn't even see that. It's called Summer Watermelon Clip Art. But also something simple like this, just an SVG bundle of different watermelons. Like, you could do so much with just that. All right, so not being a good designer is not really an excuse because Creative Fabrica's got your back, again, in the description. All right, niche number 3. July is also National Grilling Month. All right, who doesn't love to get out there and grill some delicious meats? I'm assuming you're grilling meats. I guess you can grill other stuff too, vegetables to go with the meat. So you've got I'd smoke that, and you've got a bunch of different animal silhouettes and all the pieces of meat. I like my butt rubbed and my pork pulled. There's some funny ones. BBQ with Texas inside the Q. My wife loves my meat, and it's got like the fork and a sausage. The one behind me, Soggy Beaver Barbecue. If it's not all over your face, you're eating it wrong. So there's just some funny ones. Grill Master, I'd smoke that. Smoking Hot Dad, world famous dad's barbecue, chilling and grilling. So many good ones, guys. And that's a good cross niche with Father's Day. So if you did a Father's Day design that had something to do with grilling, why not get indexed and like put in your keywords, either in the title or the bullet points, Father's Day BBQ or Father's Day grilling, right? Funny Father's Day grilling shirt. And then put National Grilling Month in the bullet points to get indexed on that. You see what I'm saying? By the way, I do have a full Amazon merch course just saying it talks about what it means to get indexed and which portions of the design SEO, I mean the listing creation process, the SEO actually get indexed, which don't, etc. Different strategies and like my preferred strategy for doing all this stuff. Just a quick reminder, I do have that. Niche number 4, moving on. Again, sticking to the month of July. Oh, before we get to niche number 4, guys, gotcha. Check out my free print-on-demand mini course. It is linked in the description. I spent over 30 hours writing it. It'll be delivered via email, 1 lesson a day for 20 days. It is free, and my print-on-demand Facebook group, completely free to join. I believe it's over 40,000 members now, too, so going strong. I'd love to have you there. All right, niche number 4, National Family Reunion Month. And this is actually, I like this niche more for Etsy than I do Amazon, believe it or not, because you can easily offer personalization for the family reunion. What's the family's last name? Boom. Sell it on Etsy. By the way, just saying, the likelihood of you selling multiple products per order is extremely high. Given that it's family reunion, you're probably selling multiple, whatever it is, shirts, use your imagination, mugs, have some fun with it. So National Family Reunion Month. And if somebody bought like a pack of shirts for a family reunion and personalized them, and now I know their last name, why not do a quick mock-up of some other complementary product that makes sense? It could be stickers. I don't know. Coffee mugs just seems like low-hanging fruit. But you get what I'm saying? And then message them through the Etsy messaging system and say, hey, thank you so much for your order. I'll get it to you as soon as possible. By the way, have you considered any of these additional products? Send them the mock-ups. Printful can create beautiful mock-ups in seconds, okay? And there's a bunch more mock-ups than you probably know existed in Printful. If you haven't seen it, check out the product templates and mockup generator, sections of Printful. Anyways, National Family Reunion Month. There's a bunch of ways to go about it. Also, I love the idea of adding the year 2024. Even if it's not in the design, add it to your SEO so you're not competing with 2023, 2022, 2021, etc. when some people might type that into the search bar on Amazon. All right, moving on. Niche number 5, and you guessed it, it's related to July. Did you know July is officially National Hot Dog Month? Now, it didn't need to be because you already have the July 4th hot dog eating contest, etc., etc. The hot dog niche in general has just been exploding lately, at least from my perspective. It seems like it's been on fire. I love the hilarious like Costco design says, I got that dog in me, and somehow it's still $1.50. Funny quick story. The first time I ever went to Las Vegas, I think I was like 16. I was with my family. I don't know what we were doing there. Why would you bring your family to Las Vegas? But we were just walking the strip, and it was like the further you got away from the heart of the strip in Vegas, the cheaper the hot dogs got and the bigger they got. You know what I mean? Like they were offering all this cheap ass food on the side of the road, and it's like they would get cheaper but bigger. They go from a half pound to 3/4 pound to like a pound or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But the price would go down. And that kind of reminds me of, you know what, I can't hate on the Costco hot dog, actually. I can't. But I'm not going to lie, I don't need it. You know what I mean? The fact that it's still $1.50, shout out to them. But what's going on there? Shouldn't the price have gone up like 3x by now? All right, so National Hot Dog Month. I'm joking, but I'm not joking. That is going to happen. It's going to pop off in July. And also, of course, there's going to be demand for these shirts, especially around July 4th with the hot dog eating contest on TV. Moving on, emerging trends. Here we go. These shirts are outperforming their 30-day average BSR by a significant margin. Okay, now it seems like Amazon merch is bringing on a lot of NBA teams, even WNBA teams. So you got to know to skip over those until they are manually removed. So don't sell the Dallas Mavericks. Don't sell the Chicago Sky. Just always do your due diligence, guys. The USC Trojans, skip that, etc. All right, looking ahead for future trends that are a little bit smaller, at least 1 month out. July 1st, Canada Day. Shout out to the Canadians. July 2nd, World UFO Day. Love it. July 3rd, Disobedience Day. July 5th, oh, I might like this even more than UFO Day, International Bikini Day. July 6th, International Kissing Day. All right, so you got some smaller niches coming up. And let's look at the archive. These are what were selling well 11 months ago that could be showing us what's going to be popular 1 month from today. You guys will never be able to guess what was selling well 11 months ago, but pretty much exclusively July 4th, because 1 month from today is going to be peak July 4th sales, okay? Not just shirts, but tank tops, right? Tank tops are going to be selling better than hoodies and sweatshirts, okay? Given the time of year. I know you knew that already, but I'm just saying, if you're listing to Etsy, for instance, maybe favor the sleeveless, right? You see me with my sleeveless shirt on. It's hot. You know what I'm saying? It's hot outside. We were at the pool earlier. It was amazing. All right, removed designs. Here we go. These were removed either by the uploader or by Amazon. So take a quick peek. I don't know why they were removed, but if you see any patterns, let me know. This seems pretty scattered, I would say. All right, guys, thank you for watching. My print-on-demand course is linked in the description. If you wanted that Amazon merch course, you can check out ryansmethod.com. You'll find it there. And my private community, just a quick plug. We go live twice a week. We have amazing guests. We have incredible resources. And if you join, your first month is free because I'm going to give you Etsy listings that are valued at more than what you pay to join. That is linked in the description. I'd love to see you there. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.